Hello students, today I am starting exercise 3.2 of chapter 3. In this exercise you will learn about surd, find out the greater and smaller surd, write the ascending and descending order of the surd. So let's start. Before teaching exercise 3.2, it is very necessary for you to know what is surd. An irrational number order P root A is called a surd. Here A is the positive rational number. The sign root is called the sign of the surd. This is also called radix. The number P is called the order of surd and A is called the radicand quantity under the radix of the surd. मतलब कहने का कि ये ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ड बताता है कि हमको स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है कि क्यूब रूट निकालना है कि फोर्थ रूट निकालना है कि फिफ्थ रूट निकालना है. एंड दिस इज अ क्वांटिटी, दिस शोज द क्वांटिटी ऑफ रेडिकेंट, क्वांटिटी अंडर द रेडिक्स. ये यहाँ पर नंबर बताता है कितना है. ये आपको क्वेश्चन में समझ में आएगा. The most important thing is the sum of rational number and irrational number is also an irrational number. In exercise 3.2, first question is find the value of each of the following. First question is the given 16 power 1 upon 2. 16 power 1 upon 2. We can do this question in two different ways. For example, this is a 1 upon 2, power is 1 upon 2, it shows that it is a square root of 16. You know that root 16 equal to 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16. There are two pairs, so root 16 is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, in second, 243 power 1 by 5. This so order is 5 and quantity under the radix is 243. Now write the prime factorization of 243. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1 2 3 4 5. According to the order we make pair. ऑर्डर के अनुसार ही हम पेयर बनाते हैं. यहाँ ऑर्डर 5 है तो हम 5 का पेयर बनाएंगे, तो यहाँ पर 1 पेयर बनेगा. सो फिफ्थ रूट 243 इज इक्वल टू 3. थर्ड इज 15,625 की पावर 1 upon 6. So we write it as sixth root of 15,625. Prime factorization of 15,625. We have 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 1 2 3 4 5 into 6. 6 times. यहाँ हमारा ऑर्डर जो है 6 है, तो जो क्वांटिटी ऑफ रेडिक्स है अंडर रेडिक्स उसको हम 6 6 का पेयर बनाएंगे. तो यहाँ पर सिक्स रूट ऑफ 15,625 इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 पेयर बनेगा इज इक्वल टू 5. So this will be answer. So question number second is simplify each of the following. First question is 23 power 1 by 2 into 23 power 3 by 2. At first we apply the law of exponent, since x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Therefore 23 power 1 by 2 into 23 power 3 by 2 is equal to 23 power 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 23 power 2 1 plus 3 is equal to 23 power 4 by 2, 2 2 is 4, so 23 square is equal to 529. So this will be answer. Second question is 11 power 4 by 3 into 11 power 5 by 3. Similarly, x power m into x power n is equal to x power m plus n. Therefore 11 power 4 by 3 into 11 power 5 by 3 is equal to 11 power 4 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 11 power 3 4 plus 5 is equal to 11 power 9 by 3, 3 3 is 9, so 11 cube is equal to 1331. 11 cube is equal to 1331. Now the third question is 21 power 7 by 3 divided by 21 power 1 by 3. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore 21 power 7 by 3 divided by 21 power 1 by 3 is equal to 21 power 7 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 21 power 3 7 minus 1 is equal to 21 power 6 by 3, 3 2 is 6, so 21 square is equal to 441. Now the question number 4 is 15 power 3 by 2 divided by 15 power 5 by 2. Since x power m divided by x power n is equal to x power m minus n, therefore 15 power 3 by 2 divided by 15 power 5 by 2 is equal to 15 power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is equal to 15 power 2 3 minus 5 is equal to 15 power minus 2 upon 2, 2 1 is 2, so 15 power minus 1. Since x power minus m is equal to 1 upon x power m, therefore 15 power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 15. This will be answer.